What is up, guys? Lynn here with another video for you all. Full disclosure, this is a sponsored video. I want to give a special thank you to MAOZUA. I know I'm mispronouncing the name of this company, but the name of the product itself, MAOZUA, M-A-O-Z-U-A, okay? It is the 8 gigabyte digital voice recorder, and the whole of the video is going to be recorded from the device itself. So stay tuned to the video. You will hear undoctored voice from the recorder itself. So don't know how that's gonna sound yet, but yeah, stay tuned. Hey guys, thank you for clicking on the video once again. Let's go through and give you a little bit of information about this particular voice recorder. This is the MAOZUA. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correctly, but it's MAOZUA 8 gigabyte digital voice activated recorder. And this states that it's powered by a 280 milliamp hour lithium ion rechargeable battery, again with 8 gigabytes of flash storage. It can store up to 50 hours of audio. Even when the power dies, the power off memory function will protect your data, and digital recorder will store all your recordings until you delete them. I love that. I love that feature. You can also set an internal password. If you have an issue with your device, I think the default password is 4 nines. So you can use 4 nines, and then you can also, to delete files, you would hold the volume down button, and then it'll pop up on the menu if whether or not you want to delete it, and then you could click yes. You can record in WAV formats and play music in MP3 format. So it basically has two different sections of your recordings. You have your voice recording / lectures and things of that nature. Then you have an MP3 function as well. So it stores them in two separate file, so to speak. You have one whole file of all your voice recordings, one whole file of all your MP3s. So then there's also a Vox function, which basically, when you record your files, you can plug in the earphones, and then you can hear the voice out of the headphones. It also says there's an efficient remote recording. So basically, you can supposedly record your voice within a range of 50 meters, which is 164 feet. Open the Vox setting when the earphone is contained, and it can also be used as an audio phone. Don't know what that means, but anyway, I'm just reading from the Amazon page here, guys. Of course, you can delete your files. Then there's a noise reduction setting as well. And you can split long recordings into the length you want, from 0 to 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, 360 minutes. And so there's that. It states the voice recorder does not support telephone conversation recordings, so check before you purchase. There are 3 songs on the voice recorder, so I checked. One is a song, one is running water, one is a bird singing. They all sound good, by the way. So there's also, if you want to playback files on the Mac, you have to choose the media player instead of iTunes. You think that would be self-explanatory. Remember, the voice recorder can be charged only when the power key is on. So what you would do is you would turn the power key on, plug it into your computer, then you can charge the device. They state do not create new folders on the voice recorder by yourself. Apparently you can screw up some stuff if you do so. So it says resolution here is 32 to 384 kilobits per second. 8 gigabytes of flash memory to store 50 hours of 280 milliamp hour battery, lithium ion battery. 20 hours, I'm assuming per charge. It says long working time, 20 hours. I have no idea what that means. If it says 50 hours continuous recording, so that's conflicting to me. Product size is 3.62 inches by 0.86. So it's 3 inches, 3.62 inches long by 0.86 inches thick by 0.47 inches, wide by 0.47 inches thick. Weight is 1.76 ounces or 50 grams. It records in WAV format, playback in MP3, WMA, and WAV. The casing, guys, the casing is metal. It says that it's metal zinc. It has a nice feel to it. It feels heavy. It's small. The only thing I can tell you thus far that I do not like about this device is the fact that the buttons feel very flimsy. They feel like they're going to fall off at any second. They don't feel like they're going to withstand the test of time, such as the device itself. I also should tell you too that this whole entire video is being recorded from the device itself. So transferring this file from the device to the computer and then downloading it or whatnot, you will be able to hear the exact sound from the device. I am approximately 14 to 16 inches away from the device. The device is pointing towards me. Okay, so there's that. What you get included in the box is the voice recorder itself. You get the earphones and you get the English user manual, which is basically 3 pages. It looks like someone printed it off, just Xeroxed it and stuck it in the box. The headphones themselves are not good, just to let you know. It's good that it comes with a pair of headsets, but they're not good at all. So I would suggest you use your own pair of headsets. I also would like to again thank the company for reaching out to me and asking me if I would like to review any of their products. And I chose this particular product because at some point in time I would like to pick back up in doing interviews. So I felt that this would be an amazing product to use. And I know that, a lot of people are using their phones, but I have always been partial to actual voice recorders. That's just me. I'm old school. I understand the portability of using your phone, but I also understand the portability of having an actual device that's specified for said use. So hopefully this will come in handy, definitely. But again, the device itself is beautiful. As you see from these videos that are within this video, the device is solid. Again, the only thing that I can say from using this device, number one, there is a learning curve to navigating the menus. Be sure to read the manual beforehand. That way you don't have any frustrations or issues. Also take heed to the things that I said to you earlier, because I don't recall there actually being the instructions on how to delete your recordings. So again, to delete your recordings, you hold the volume down button while you're on the recording section of all of your recordings. And then you can press the play pause button to delete. You can delete all, you can delete whichever one you're currently on, and what have you. So that's the way to delete your files. I had to play around with it to figure that out because I didn't see that anywhere. Again, I could have missed it, but I didn't particularly see that, and I feel that's something important that people need to know. But again, read over your manual so you can get used to the controls of this device. But all in all, the the sound quality is good. The speaker on it that is contained within the device is good. I don't even have the volume turned up to max. Max is like 40. I have it down to like 25 or whatnot because it's very loud. So I really like this device. Again, it's small, it's compact, it's light. Well, it's not lightweight. It does have some heft to it, and I love the fact that it has some heft to it. I like the fact it has a 3.5 millimeter headset jack as well. So I don't want to make this video entirely too long, guys, but I wanted to touch on some things in reference to the device itself. When you use this device to record, make sure you're at a comfortable distance away from the person, because this sucker is sensitive. As you hear within this video, again, nothing is doctored. This is right out of the box, hit record. I have not messed around with any of the controls at all. So you can hear like again, you just take it out of the box, hit record, boom, this is what you get. And again, I'm at least about 14 inches or so away from the device. And I could be further away from it because I hear that there's issues with popping and things of that nature that could be an issue. So hopefully this comes across well. Again, I'm not for certain. We're going to find that out once I render the video. I do not like how the button layout is, because they feel flimsy. They feel like they're not going to withstand the test of time, put it that way. I don't like that at all. The buttons themselves feel decently well made, but them attached to the device does not feel that way. That is the only cheap thing I can say with this device, that how it feels is the way the buttons jiggle and move around when you press them. I do not like that at all. But other than that, you let me know down below the sound quality of this video. And again, everything is undoctored. It was recorded straight from the device, plugged in the PC. Nothing has been doctored. This is what you get right out of the box without toying or tinkering with any of the settings. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and we'll see you all on the next video, guys. This is Lynn, aka GGT, Gaming Gadgets and Technology. Till next time, guys, take care, be safe, love one another, and we'll see you all on the next one. Peace.